Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. We've got this car back. Got this car from 2013, sold it in 2019, so got an opportunity come to buy this car back, so I thought why not just continue the project. So this car is a Honda Integra Dc5 and it's running 400 brake. So now it's back with me. We're going to try pushing more power and of course have some grip with that as well. So yeah, looks alright. It's been sat for a while. It needs a good clean. Interior looks alright. Still got the K-Pro lead in there as well. Ooh, what's all that? Alright, nice. I think the battery's fully dead. Yeah. So yeah, car's down now. Needs a good oil clean. Let's check the oil. It's alright, but it needs an oil change. Battery's fully dead. So I'm gonna go sort that out as well. Give it a full repaint. Freshen it up. Back where it belongs. So yeah, car's back on the drive where it belongs with the C63. Decent. Got my old plates back as well. They were in there. Just gonna start it up now. See if she starts up. It's got a lot of work to do to it. Needs a good clean. Splash guards, new intercooler pipes. Everything needs to be refreshed on this car. There you go, it's a project, see that? Dirty. But yeah, it's a project. Let's see how we do with this car now. Make sure you subscribe. Follow the build. We've got plenty more Hondas to show you in this channel. Stay tuned. Peace.